sure. It's skimming. It's forever internal. Isikho isikhathi sekubuyela emuva ntwana. Sure. Ngiyabakhitha evula njengoshebe asiclero. Yeah.
You're the Casamata head.
I know vele se repeat sai. Nagapitele fight, you thought it's over for I. You must be really driven over lie. Some only focused on man's while you ponder on lies. Trying to slow it down and poke my eyes. See, I keep my head held high, my shoulders wide and open heart with an open mind. Yeah, make sure they no longer deny. Seeing this industry, I'm like Moses saving his people. You are the Hebrews, ain't no crossing the Nile, no crossing the line. Yeah, flat-footed, barefoot is like walking on ice, but for me it's like a walk on the eye. You walk on the park with your girl by my side. I'm talking no smiles. Yeah, I'm rapper, ain't seen anything yet, cause I'm still far from finished. I'm at the moon, I'm on him, pull him move. Got what the dad really go back. Whoop it, they get chance. Speaks fluent English. Kwama Jing, Sabaki, and Jingo Shibish, Castlero. I swear rappers don't wanna step on my toes, cause Velega Mambo. Ogila Bona no Haifito. Malo Saga, Salo Lebu. Now those are rappers nowadays, got a Velega Monk. They're only around for the benefit of Velega Monk. And to be honest, not that they don't wanna see you do it, but it's all because they wouldn't wanna see you do it better than they do it. Ish, now let's say if you do it, and it so happens that you do it better than they do it, they go find somebody else to do it better than the way you do it. But either way, just do it. I'm in sonke vele sifuna impilo ebudebelele ratsanto ibereke isephida ujele botsha ba gauke meke ke rena itendele meneme vele na itendele meneme.
Let's get it.
Skim.
Let's get it. I nigga P to the fart. Yeah, I'm next for the babies. Let's get it. Get paid the dog, cause right now nigga like we moving dog like we far from finish. Let's get it. Yup. I started doing great while I was in grade 9. Fighting all these facts wasn't chemistry. My mama used to tell me that I'm gonna make it through. I'm gonna make a living in this industry without a doubt, niggas. I've got a gang in the cage. We busy fighting demons in the seconds that is tearing it up. 20 days taught us if it's getting real, you gotta be the mind, niggas. Look. Nobody in this world is the poor when you progress. We all got stories that we gotta share, homies. The inner piece of part of a soul that is important. I'm like an ocean, I'm floating every day. I need the service. That shit is so real, man. Looking for is travel in my mind in a better space. Sideboards keep overloading in my statics. Finding for the people is a key to be gone. We far from finish, we just beginning and we're hitting now. Understand about that, I'm a superhero now. I don't wanna lose the long road is carrying away. You better be a soldier, cause you got it all, dog. You better be a soldier, cause you got it all, dog. And nigga, oh yeah, niggas made it. Ay, look, nigga made it. Ay, we gonna win, dog. Ay, we gonna win, dog. Skip.